Hello and welcome, and this is Tech Enthusiast, and today we are going to talk about Samsung and AMD collaboration. Meanwhile, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and become part of Big Tech family because I'm uploading daily tech videos, and also turn on notifications, and goal for today's video is to reach 20 likes. So smash that like button, and with all that being said, let's continue with the topic. Samsung announced its partnership with AMD will indeed produce a next generation Exynos chip with AMD GPU. Speaking during the Exynos 2100 event, Dr. Inyup Kang, VP and GM of System LSI division at Samsung, confirmed the ambitious plans for the future. Samsung and AMD originally announced a partnership back in August of 2019, promising to bring AMD Radeon graphics technology to a future Exynos processors. When the news was originally announced, there was speculation we'd see the partnership come to fruition around 2022, and Dr. Kang's comments appear to corroborate those reports. Samsung is reportedly designing its own GPUs, but the development has apparently been too slow for Samsung's liking, hence the partnership with AMD. At the time of the original report, it was speculated that AMD licensed its IP to Samsung, while the two would collaborate on the design of the mobile GPU. Samsung has yet to reveal final details about the future Exynos processor with an AMD GPU. When the partnership came about, Samsung lauded AMD as leader in the industry, especially in the GPU area. We think that with this partnership, we will be able to leverage the GPU competitiveness of AMD to enhance the performance of not only our mobile processors, but also in other applications, as Samsung's spokesperson said. If Samsung keeps to its timetable, we could get details for the Exynos chip with an AMD GPU later this year. That could then be followed by flagship release, which could potentially be the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. The partnership between the two companies should be mutually beneficial. AMD will gain a new source of revenue in the mobile market, while Samsung will have access to the technology that will take its mobile chips to the next level. While the partnership hasn't yet produced anything of note, it could be a very different story come this time next year. Samsung is also on the way of bringing its Exynos line of chipsets to a different computing category. Might be expected reaction from the readers after Apple announced its 5nm M1 for its Macs. Though the company-owned silicon is found in its own family of smartphones, with other manufacturers using them too, it's time Samsung decided to use them elsewhere. It turns out that the first machines to sport Exynos chips might arrive soon, according to a tipster. News about Samsung bringing Exynos chipsets to other computing devices isn't new, though it hasn't occurred in more frequency than we'd like. A different tipster called Mary Quad HD mentioned much earlier that Samsung aims to bring ARM chips based on the Exynos 1000 to Windows PCs. This Exynos 1000 is now officially known as the Exynos 2100 and is the company's first flagship 5nm processor, plus the direct competitor to the Snapdragon 888. Noel the Galaxy on Twitter says he can't wait for Exynos arriving for computers. He didn't explicitly mention that these ARM-based chipsets will arrive for notebooks first. Still, given their efficiency factor contributing the impressive battery life, it looks like there's no other segment that will better be suited to house these. A previous leak reveals that Samsung was testing a new processor featuring AMD GPU that soundly beat the Snapdragon 865 in a benchmark run. This reveals the company is working on a solution that will support AMD graphics, but it is unlikely to arrive this early. According to Samsung, it is collaborating with AMD, so hopefully we'll hear something positive in the coming months. While the Korean giant reportedly continues development, Qualcomm isn't sitting idly by. A new report talks about a Snapdragon chipset that's being made specifically to target Apple's M1. Thank you all for watching today's video. All article sources are in video description. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel and become part of Big Tech family. Turn on notifications, and goal for today's video is to reach 20 likes. So smash that like button and comment down below what is your opinion on today's topic. And with all that being said, I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.